I've been playing D&D for Dungeons & Dragons for about 35 years. For the last 5 years, I had a private group that would meet inside of our large room here for my other business. And we talked about having more players and having people join us. And someone gave me the idea of opening a lounge. Oh, D&D is awesome for people who are bored or just want something else to do, need a new hobby. We have classes and basically we teach you how to sit down, build your character, how to do the basics, combat, how to talk to other people, sit in a group, what you do with it. And then you sit down and it's like sitting around a campfire telling a story. You have a guy that leads everyone decides what they're gonna do. It's a really good use of your imagination.
Some of the things that we have that a lot of other places don't have is we have lots of resources. So we have books that they can use, we have things that they can use to do maps. We try to make it to where it's a community.
The lounge is pretty much for everything, not just Dungeons & Dragons. We have a few people that play Magic the Gathering, other random tabletop games. We have people that play like Monsters vs. Heroes. They play board games like Monopoly, Risk, Star Wars Risk. We have all kinds of people that come in here and play different games. The lounge is just for everyone to come in here, relax, and enjoy themselves. The coolest part about the place is we have virtual tabletops. So if you like to actually have digital maps, moving maps for your game, we have free castable tables where you can sit down, set up your maps, and run a full digital table with your party all sitting around the table.
A misconception about us is that because we have a vape store here that we allow smoking. We don't. There's no smoking and we are all ages appropriate for everybody.
The Kobold Lounge is here for everyone. It's a safe place. We don't kick anybody out. We don't send anybody anywhere. We make sure everybody plays nice and safe together. It's just a place to come hang out and enjoy yourself.
Well, I hope y'all guys will come down to the lounge. It's one of my favorite places to hang out. I love the people, I love the atmosphere, and there's no better place than to come build a character and have fun with everybody. So come on down to the Kobold Lounge and have fun with us.